Thunderclouds always look very impressive. Dark and ominous, and at the same time majestic, they evoke both fear and admiration in us. These are cumulonimbus clouds that bring thunderstorms. They form from ordinary cumulus clouds when the atmosphere is filled with large amounts of water vapor. This happens most often in hot weather. The air is heated at the surface of the earth and rushes upward, where it cools, and the moisture it contains condenses in the form of water droplets and ice crystals. This is how cumulus clouds are formed, which, under favorable conditions and a large amount of moisture, quickly grow, acquiring large sizes. The size of thunderclouds can reach 16 kilometers. Water droplets and ice crystals in the cloud connect with each other, become larger and heavier and fall to the lower part of the cloud, causing it to take on a dark, leaden hue. As water droplets and ice crystals fall inside the cloud, they collide with rising lighter masses, causing both to become electrified. Heavy particles acquire a negative charge, and light particles acquire a positive charge. Thus, the lower part of the cloud becomes negatively charged, and the upper part becomes positively charged, and the cloud becomes a thunderstorm. Most lightning strikes occur within a cloud. But the surface of the earth is positively charged, so discharges also occur between the lower negatively charged part of the cloud and the surface of the earth. The distance from the Earth's surface to a thundercloud is from 600 meters to several kilometers. Lightning that occurs as a result of a discharge acquires this length. The temperature inside the lightning can reach 30,000 degrees. Due to the sudden heating of the air by electric current, a rapid increase in pressure occurs along the lightning path. Upon impact, we hear a blast wave in the form of thunder. Since light travels much faster than sound, we always hear the sound of thunder with a delay. The further the discharge occurs from us, the longer the sound of thunder will last. If you count the number of seconds after a flash of lightning until the sound of thunder, you can determine how far from us it struck. It is known that the speed of sound is about 330 meters per second. We multiply the number of seconds that have passed by 330 and get the distance in meters. Every 3 seconds corresponds to 1 kilometer. Lightning poses a great danger to people. It should be remembered that lightning always chooses the shortest path to the Earth's surface and strikes the highest point on it. Therefore, during a thunderstorm, you should avoid open areas in the area. And you should not hide under a lonely tree. It is best to find shelter in a building. When large droplets formed in a cloud can no longer be balanced by updrafts, they fall down and rain falls on the earth. Sometimes thunderstorms produce intense downdrafts, which create a squall wind of destructive force. Downdrafts are formed from pockets of cold and denser air, which rushes down, while also continuing to move horizontally along the cloud, and acquires a speed greater than the speed of the cloud. Near the ground, a current in the form of a squall wind appears before the onset of a thunderstorm. The lifespan of cumulonimbus clouds is short, from 30 minutes to 3 to 4 hours. About 100,000 thunderstorms are raging on our planet at the same time, with a frequency of approximately 100 lightning strikes per second. Most thunderstorms occur over continents, and mainly in the tropics. Maximum thunderstorm activity occurs in Central Africa. There are 10 times fewer thunderstorms over the oceans.